So today I'm going to talk about the Veet Botanic Inspirations in Shower Cream. And this is for legs and body. And this is a hair remover. It's 13.5 fluid ounces. And I use this to remove my leg hair, mostly, instead of shaving or waxing, and the effects last way longer than shaving, and I hardly ever miss a spot when I use this, so that's great. I also don't have to worry about shaving nicks or razor bumps, and I also find it just a lot easier to do, and it makes my legs feel really smooth. Waxing is very painful and there is a recovery period that I just don't need to endure. So I like this. This is such a great product. Aloe vera and vitamin E are a big part of this, and they leave your skin feeling more moisturized, which is nice. Aloe vera is always a plus. I love aloe vera. And my skin doesn't feel dried out or damaged afterwards. In the shower, it's better, and that's what it is, in shower cream, because I used to use the hair remover that you had to be outside the shower and you had to kind of just stand around awkwardly without touching anything while your hair remover processed, and that was very inconvenient and kind of just annoying for me because I couldn't sit down. I couldn't really do anything. I was afraid I was gonna walk around and just start, getting cream everywhere. So it was just a lot of me putting cream on my legs and then pacing back and forth and waiting for 3 to 5 more minutes. And yeah, so this allows me to just go in the shower, sit there, put the cream on my legs, and then finally get to go out, just wash my hair and then, let it settle while I'm doing that, and it's not too affected by the water. So this works really, really well. And it's a sensitive formula. I have very sensitive skin. I don't know why, but I do. And so this is very helpful for that. So when you're in the shower, you cover your legs completely with the cream with your hands. And there is a white applicator here, and when you're done, you can actually you can pop it off. I'm not doing this right now, and I don't want to have hair remover all over my hands, so I'm not going to show you, but it is a white cream texture, and you're not supposed to leave it on for more than 10 minutes. Don't do that because it will burn, it will hurt, and it's just not recommended. It does come with this 2-sided sponge, so what happens is, when it's processed, you wipe it away. You can choose what side you want, and you can just wipe it off your legs, so that's really nice. And I like that it's pink. I think that's very nice, and there's also, the pump just works really well, and there's a lot in here. I mean, there's still a lot in here, and I've had it for a few weeks. And, I don't use this every day. I don't need to. Do not rub it in when you apply it, because I feel like that is just not the right way to do it. It doesn't work. It's not as effective. But if you just kind of gently cover your entire leg with this, it works a lot better. And just leave it there. And then when you take it off, I usually do it in a dual process thing. So I'll wipe it off with the sponge, I'll wet it, and then I'll take it off again, rinse it all off, and put some soap. Make sure you wash your hands and do not get it in your hair, like your head hair, unless you want to go bald. I really like that it comes with the sponge, and I think that's a really nice touch. When you get it, it's glued onto this area, so you can see how I kind of took it off, but I really like it. It's just really useful, and before I was kind of trying to find washcloths and things like that to use, so it's nice that they provide something. It's made in France, and Veet products are awesome, and they mostly are hair removers and things like that, so I would check them out if you are in need of hair removers. But this one is my favorite so far. They make a lot of different ones for different parts of your body. This one says legs and body. I'm not really sure what body applies to, but that could be the bikini area. I usually use it just for my legs if I use it. And there is a very good smell to it too, which I really like. So it's enjoyable, and my guilty pleasure is like the feeling of my legs afterwards. They're so smooth and it's so awesome and it feels so good, and it's bikini season, so if you're trying to look hair free there, like, this is the best. Like, it's amazing. And yeah, so they say that the smoothness that lasts up to 2 times longer than shaving leaves skin moisturized with naturally sourced aloe vera. So yeah, so as you can see, these are, this is it. And great addition to your shower. So check it out. Thanks so much for watching this video.